Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Tex Mex meatballs, starting off with 1.5 pounds of a lean ground beef. I'll be adding in 2/3 cup of a finely minced onion, 1 finely minced jalapeno, 1/2 cup of crushed corn chips. For seasoning, I have 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of ground garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, though if you like cilantro or you can use cilantro, feel free to substitute that in instead. 1 egg, and 1 cup of a finely shredded Mexican cheese blend. Once I got the meatball mixture all combined, I started rolling them out into roughly 2-inch size meatballs. I'm looking to get about 15 to 17 meatballs out of this mixture, and then I've been setting them over here on the side until I have them all rolled out. Here at the stove, I've gone ahead and heated up about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm slowly adding my meatballs in. I want these to brown up on all sides. After about 10 minutes, the meatballs have browned on all their sides, and I'll be adding in 2 cups of enchilada sauce, 1/2 cup of either beef or chicken stock. Today I'm using beef, it's what I already had open, and 2 chipotle peppers that have been finely minced. Once the sauce starts bubbling, I'll drop the heat down to low and allow it to simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the meatballs are cooked all the way through. After simmering for 10 minutes, I've gone ahead and turned off the heat, and I've sprinkled a cup of a Mexican cheese blend across the top, and I'll allow that residual heat to just melt the cheese. I'll be serving the meatballs over a little bit of rice today, and I've gone ahead and garnished it with just a little bit of extra fresh parsley. Cannot wait to dive in here and try these. They smell incredible. Between the cumin and the chipotle peppers, there's a nice little smoky factor going on with these meatballs. As for the spice level, I don't really find them all that spicy. I think they're more on the milder side. Overall, they're a really delicious meatball, and I highly recommend them. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.